Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about our first test case creation for API testing by using Cypress. Okay, and this we need to like in the previous video we saw about how to create our like how to install our Cypress, right? Now after that you can just whenever you come to here you will not see for this Cypress in this all the folders, only will see for node underscore modules and remaining concepts. And for this I'll show you here. I took the screenshot because I just now I installed before it is class start, and here you can see npx cypress. You have to do it whenever you saw that, like whenever the first time you, after installation you will see this is the components, three components. Okay, after you do that npx sorry npx cypress open. Once you click this one it will open for cypress window, some another window. This is a Cypress window. Whenever you first time doing, right, that time you will see this is the window. Okay, even you can able to see this kind of information you will see here. Okay, once you can able to choose for E to E, but in your case what will happen, it you will see for this configuration, just click on continue button. Okay, once you click on continue button you will get it for this browser choosing. Okay, in browser you can able to choose any one. I'm going to choose for Chrome browser and hitting. Okay. After that, you can see, right, you will get it for another window, that is choosing any one epic. Okay. That is like already example epic or new epic without any project, empty project. Okay. I'm choosing for this particular sample one. Once you choose, then you will see for this particular window, which we right now we have got, right. This is a window we are able to see. Okay, once you see this particular window, and this is comes into my local, just now I created that one. Okay, and inside that you can able to create any E to E. We are most of the time we are working with E to E folder only. Okay, in E to E you can able to create any folder that will reflect to here. Okay, you can try another folder creation also. You can able to new folder for iPhone API testing. This is my folder. You can refresh. See, now still you are not able to see, right? Still we are not able to see. Okay. Now I'm going to create my test case file. I'm going to right click on creating my file, that is testing first .cy.js is our extension. CY is it will use for Cypress, and JS is JavaScript related one. Okay. Now you can see once you create the file by using first.cy.js, you will able to get it for the result here. Okay. Once you get the result, you can able to see this is empty, but we need to work for some IntelliJ. If you know Cypress means, you can't see the Cypress related here, whether we are able to access for Cypress related comments or not. No, right? Still we are not able. For IntelliJ purpose, we can able to 3// and we can able to make it here less than symbol and reference space types equal and single quotation Cypress, and again single quotation close, and this is the one. Now you can type Cypress, you will get it for Cypress now. Okay, now we are able to get for IntelliJ. Okay, now we need to create our suit, the suit describing this one. Okay, once you mouse over one, you can see this is the Mojo suit creation. This is a case to you can able to call for all the function inside that. How many test cases you can able to create inside of this, you can able to create it. Okay. No, there is no limitation. and after that you can give the two, because we need to provide the test case suit purpose, we need to create one name of that. I'm going to make it for get call. Okay, and comma and function creation. There are two ways we can able to create. One is normal function, and we can able to mention greater than, sorry, curly braces. Then here we can able to test case creation. For test case creation we are using for it symbol. In this it we can able to create n number of things. Mocho will help you to create all the things, and here we need to provide for title of the test case. Verify first test case. Okay, and I'm going to create here second type for function creation. This is a symbol we can able to use to create our for function. Okay, once you create the function, we need to create for API request, right? For API request we can able to say like cy dot request. This is the method we can able to create our request. Okay, this request, whenever you mouse over, you can see this is a get call request. Even post call also we are going to use the same thing, but a Cypress will hit you for one request and it will get for the response of the body. Okay, and that response we can able to take and we can make it for some validation purpose. Okay, this is a request response, putting that, and we need to put the two curly braces and enter. Once you enter here, you can able to see. Now here we need to create our get method, get call. This all the APIs already explained in my Postman collection I have in my YouTube channel. Please go through that. You can able to understand. For access code token generation purpose, you need to take this one like go rest go in and open your browser site. I already opened here. Okay, once you open, then there is a login. You have to click and you need to log in with anything. Okay, you need to generate for access token. Once you generate, it's a one time for lifetime. Even you can able to generate for multiple times also, no issue. It will override. Otherwise you can use it single time, means you can able to use for single. Okay, once you've done that one, you can able to come to here. We can able to check it this one. Once you click for this get call, you can able to see there is a 200 status. We need to verify 200. Also we need to verify the ID of this one. Okay, and this is called a get is a method. Okay, this is a method. This is a URL. This is a header. These three things we need to take and we need to pass in our request. Then only we'll get it for the response. How we can able to pass it into our method here is method we need to type. M is a small letter. Okay, don't type for capital. If you are put the capital, you will not get the result properly. And colon space single quotation get. G is a capital here. Okay, and just comma. Even small letter also it will work, no issue. But in case like syntax wise means we need to mention for capital. Okay, then we need to mention for URL, because our URL we need to pass it, right? And I'm going to copy my URL. Okay, then in the last I'm going to mention comma, and now we need to create for headers because of our barrier token purpose. I'm going to use for headers, headers colon curly brace, and inside that we need to pass it for this authorization and barrier token. Authorization colon, and again we need to copy for barrier token. Double quotation, we need to pass it like this. Okay, once we done this one, we need to come to here. One second. And this position, okay, this is request closing position, and the last one we need to make it for dot. Then you need to type for then. Okay, once you get that, then you can able to make it here one function creation. Okay, now we am going to create a function and we are going to make it for less than greater than and curly braces and enter. Okay, once you make it this one, what will happen? In here we can able to make it some expect condition, and we can able to verify some condition like 200 and ID verification. But for those things we need to get the response, where we can able to declare our variable means inside the function we can able to declare response. Okay, and based upon this response we can able to verify our condition. For verification we have a JavaScript having a method called expect. This expect is required for what type of value you are expecting. In the response we need to verifying for status, and once you make it for response dot yes means status it will provide. You can take the status, and we need to put the some condition, right, if it is equal or not equal. For that we have in the JavaScript having two dot eq, eql and equal is like that. We can able to use anything. I'm going to use for eq, and here I need to verify 200. Okay, this is my target to verifying. Okay, once I'm going to again Cypress here. Okay, this is my first one. Then I'm going to click this one. You can able to see here. It will give you for my result. Okay, 200 is verified. And this is my suit, and this is my test case. You can see here. Get call is my suit and get call. And verify first test case is test case, and you can see verify first test case. Okay, like this it will display. You can able to create n number of test cases. It will create under this particular case. Okay, now I'm going to verifying ID. How to verify ID means again expect, and I'm going to make it for response. Okay, in the response where our values are displaying means there is a body section. In the body section our content is presented. Then I need to verify for my ID means we can able to choose for body. Then dot body. Okay, dot what value we need to verify. We need to verifying for ID. Okay, in the body I need to verify for ID value. Then we can able to use it. Then dot to dot eq. Okay, inside that I'm going to pass it for my value. Okay, once we pass and see here, two conditions are verified. You will not see because of it is done for very fast. Now two conditions are verified. Okay, in case if you want to verify invalid means you can say, I can see it is failed, and even you will get for the trace IDs where it is failed. Okay, I'm making back to here pass case. You can pass it. Like this we can able to create our first test case by using Cypress. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.